Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix log and improve performance in Brawl Stars. Either you're using Android and iOS device, this tutorial will help you on how you can improve your Brawl Stars app. First up, I'm going to use this Android phone. So here, go back to the home screen. First, you just need to make sure that you have the enough storage for your mobile phone. So make sure that you have at least 1 gig of storage left on your phone. So low storage can cause a log on Brawl Stars, so make sure that you have enough storage. Now, another way to basically fix log and improve performance on Brawl Stars is by clearing your app cache. So go to apps and manage apps or apps management and go to the search box right there and then type in Brawl Stars. So from here, the first thing that you can do, maybe you can basically force stop, tap on force stop at the bottom left and tap on clear data and then clear cache. On your iOS device, you can basically go to general and then find the Brawl Star and then just have to tap on offload app. Now, once done here, you just have to update your device. So go back to your main settings. And then from here, I want to go to the About Phone section. And then here, make sure that your device is updated. And once done, just have to restart your phone or reboot your phone. And once done, it should be fixed the issue. And if the problem persists, let's go to the next method by updating your Brawl Stars. So if you're using Android device, go to Google Play Store. If you're using iOS, go to App Store and search for Brawl Stars. Now, if an update button shows up here, just need to tap on Update button. Another way to fix the issue is by closing all the background apps when you're playing on Brawl Stars. It can improve the performance on your Brawl Stars. Another way is by checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection. If not, switch to other internet connection, or maybe you can use data connection. Lastly, make sure that you disable all of your VPN on your device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.